Hello YouTube, I am Marco and I once again welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today is day 2 of my trip from Kolkata to Mandarmoni, and today I will be heading back to Kolkata. So yesterday I entered the tent at around 6 p.m. So now I will give you a clear view of the surrounding. So to start with, I will show at first, this is the location of, this is the board of the sea of this tent camp, and the name of this camp is Lal Kankra Beach or the Red Crab Beach. And if we move inside, then you can see the scenic beauty, the surrounding, everything is damn natural. Here is the kitchen. Whatever you make, whatever you order, you will get it made from here. And this is called as tent camp because you can see there is no house but all the tents. I will show you. And these are all the tents. So we have occupied at least 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 tents. And don't worry about the toilet facility because it has 2 toilets, and I will show you the inside also because many of the people have problem with toilets. So you can see here is one shower, one tap, and at the same time common facility is there, and you can see there are basin, mirror and everything, but at the same time they have retained their looks, the old village type looks. So this is how the bathroom looks like, so you don't need to worry about your nature's call. And these are the tents one again I'm showing you. So total we have 14 to 15 members. Here you can see our one of the member, that is Siddhartha, she is Priyanka. And here are our lineup. One Mojo, you can see my bike over there. One FZ25, it's a Aditya. Domina 400, and this is Pulsar. And this is the place where we all are having our lunch, breakfast, dinner, everything. So this is the most entertaining person of this trip. This is our members, all the members. Urjunda, my wife Sonali.
Hello friends.
Oyon, Papia, Deepadi. Okay. Along with that, Payal, Brototi, Sudeep, One Life Living, Vishwajit, and Aditya. And at last, I am Orko, your very known person, Orko Rai. So now, in a very short while, I will share with you the scenery of beach, and I hope I will get some looks, or I will get hands on the red crab, which is known as Lal Kankra in the regional language. And now we will enjoy our breakfast here, and then we will move forward towards beach. So now we have come to Lal Kankra Beach. So I will now show you what is the beach and why it is known as Lal Kankra or the red crab. Just have a look at the crabs. You can see lots of red crabs are there. You can see a few more crabs are coming from the sea, the shore. All over the beach there are only red crabs and red crabs. So this is the specialty of this beach. That is the reason it is known as the Red Crab Beach or Lal Kankra Beach. I think you can see some more crabs there. Another one is running there. All the crabs looks like this. They are sunbathing. I will once again give you a view. You can see that. Few more crabs are running over there. That's all about this beach.
देखो
Right now I am leaving Red Crab Lal Kakra Beach Resort. Now I will go towards Shankarpur. There we will have our lunch. My team members have already gone there, and they have taken my baby also, because if my baby is with me, then probably I cannot catch them up by running faster. But now I'm going with my wife, so I can ride at a speed around 120-130, so that there is minimum time gap between they reach and we reach, because baby is with them. Maybe there is some problem with the baby, then they can contact me in that case. Our journey was extremely fantastic yesterday, and our stay in the resort was fantastic. For the very first time I have stayed in the tent, that too with my wife and kid. I was initially extremely excited regarding the upcoming excitement and the experience, but later everything happened so smoothly and so beautifully that this trip became one of the memorable trips. We have left the resort at around 11 a.m. in the morning, but me and my wife took a bit more time because we had to prepare our baby. After preparing him, we have given him to Brototi, Sudeep, Chandra, Priyanka, because they have come by car, so it will be easier for my baby to travel with them. Now from here Shankarpur is around 23 kilometers, and there I will have lunch, and then I will heading towards Kolkata, my home place. Digha Shankarpur Sea Beach Protection and Beautification Work. So this is the beach I have reached. It's 100 kilometers only as per the map. Let me find my team members. Where are they? I can't find anybody. I will stop right here because this is the destination my team member had shared with me, but I can't see anybody. I will try to find some shade if available, and then I will stop and then I will confirm where they are. This is the sea beach in Shankarpur, but I have confirmed that other riders have changed their plan and they have gone to Tajpur, 2.7 kilometers away from Shankarpur. So I am heading towards Tajpur. In the meantime, I will try to show you as much sea as possible. You can see long boulders are there. Just fantastic. The view is extremely good, and it always feels nice to ride along with the coastal line, keeping the great sea in your right hand side and riding on a smooth road like this. It's just amazing. It has made my day. I wish I could go there and show you from a near angle or from a close distance, but that's not possible. I have to reach to my baby early as possible. That's really cool. Just look at the sea, seashore and everything. You can see that there is the building that retain multi-purpose cyclone shelter. Whenever there is any cyclone, the people who resides nearby used to take shelter in these government-made homes. So this area is extremely prone to cyclone. Anyway, I have reached my destination, but I am yet to find the car and the people. Ah, Chandra! Bike kothay rakhli? Okay, I have found the bike. I have found the car. Here I will have my lunch. Then I will start my journey towards Kolkata. So I have come here. The name of the hotel is Joy Jagannath Hotel and Restaurant. So here I will have my lunch. It's really a nice place to have lunch. It's exactly on the shore. Sure. So I can see everybody is gathering here, but my kid, that is my kid. Yes, so that's it. Now I will have lunch here.